Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next lesson. For today's episode, I'm gonna look at regulation of body temperature. Now, first, I'm gonna look at how the human regulate its temperature in environment, which of course is at or too hot, I should actually say. In my next video, I'll be looking at how the human regulate its temperature in cold environment. Now, as you can see on the screen, we're starting out with what is known as vasodilation. So, vaso coming from blood vessel, and dilation means getting wider. Now, what really happens is that under the surface of the skin, there are some blood vessels. So, when the time is too hot, these blood vessels normally increase in terms of size or diameter, and two, they would normally move closer to the surface of the skin. Now the reason for that is simply because heat is transported by blood. So the more blood in these blood vessels, the more heat they will actually transfer. So the fact that the blood vessels move closer to the surface of the skin mean that heat will leave the human body by this process that is called radiation. So it is just that it takes place faster if the blood vessels are closer to the surface of the skin. And that's what we're seeing here. So arterioles near surface of skin enlarge in diameter. The larger volume of blood carried in the blood vessels will carry more heat, which loss through the skin. Sweating, that's the next way in which the human body loses heat whenever the environment is hot. So this is a response made by the body to excessive heat in the surroundings. And infections are strenuous exercise they're saying there. So infection should include like fever, for example, because the body temperature normally increase then. How the sweating work is that first you have the sweat gland there, and this is the sweat duct. So once the sweat will move to the surface of the skin. Now once the sweat is on the surface of the skin, then a process that is known as evaporation will take place. So it is that process that actually give you the cooling effect. So sweating by itself will not cool the body. Evaporation must be taking place. So if there is poor ventilation where fresh air is not being allowed to touch the surface of the skin, then of course the evaporation will not take place, and basically your body temperature will not be lowered. So that is simple. So if you're in airtight condition, if you're in a motor vehicle that is too crowded and there is no air coming into the vehicle, then you will just be sweating and evaporation will not be taking place. So your body temperature is still not gonna be lowered. Fans we normally use fans can help by blowing the water vapor away from the skin surface, and now this increases the rate of evaporation, because again this is what actually gives you the cooling effects. So that should conclude this lesson. So once again guys, we're looking at the regulation of body temperature. To be much more specific, we're looking at how the human body um, lose heat to cool itself whenever the time is actually hot or too hot. And my next video, I will be looking at how the human body regulates its temperature in cold environments. Please remember to leave your questions, leave the topics that you want me to go through in the description section of this video. And you can also visit my website for additional notes and of course past paper questions. So thanks for viewing. Please remember to click on the subscription button if you are new to the channel. So thanks for viewing. Your teacher is out of here. Thank you.